All right, I'll go through some of the basics of shaving that I've learned over the last 35 years. Whether you're using a gel or a foam, I recommend get a hot shower first. That's going to soften up that stubble and open your pores, allowing you to get a closer shave with less skin irritation. Most out there will probably use something like this Schick 5-blade disposable, or you're going to be using a disposable like this. The big thing to watch out for on these disposables is, as you can notice, this pad is dried out and those blades are clogged. That's why they're called disposables. Use them a couple times and get a new one. That's going to keep that blade sharp. It's going to cut a lot better and tug a lot less. I'll be using my Parker safety razors, adjustable variant, double-edged safety razors, and this Italian-made shave cream. The basics are the same whether you're using this or you're using the gels or the foams with a disposable razor. All right, shower is done. Now that stubble is going to be a little bit softer, so it's going to be easier to cut. If you're curious about wet shaving, this part I'm going to soak my brush. That way it absorbs the water. 30 to 60 seconds in warm water. You always got to tap. Oh man. Just like rubbing shave gel between your hands and rubbing it on your skin, this is going to create more, and this is called aerating. I've seen a lot of guys trying to paint it. Rub it in circles. That's the best way to take advantage of a shave brush. Every razor has an exposed blade. So to reduce the likelihood that you'll nick yourself, tighten the skin to make it more flat, use light pressure, and start with small strokes. Make sure that you pick the razor up. Make sure that you rinse the razor often so that it doesn't clog. If it clogs, then you're not going to get a great shave. The chin area for me is the most problematic. I have a bumpy chin, so I move my mouth around to change the tension of the skin so that I'm less likely to nick myself. Make sure you use light pressure. So you should notice I've already shaved this side. I have not shaved that side. Hopefully you can see the stubble line. Same thing. Tighten the skin. This flattens it. This is going to help reduce nicks and skin irritation. Make sure that you pick up your comically large mustache. How to shave the Adam's apple. I have found that if I go straight down like that, I tend to kind of nick it, so I'll go at an angle. Not sure whether you need to shave the other directions? Take your finger and rub it the way you've already shaved, and then rub it the opposite way, so it should sound very different. For a lot of folks out there, shaving against the grain really irritates their skin. So if you're not sure and this is your first time, go slow and use light pressure. If it starts to feel like it's burning, that's not a direction that you can probably shave. I like to tilt my head to tighten up that skin. Very light pressure. Light pressure. Now, Whether you're a first-time shaver or shaving for over 35 years like me, nicks can and do happen. Whether you have a skin imperfection, you push too hard, you go too fast, or you tilt the blade. This is an antiseptic alum block. When wet and rubbed on your face, this is going to help soothe your skin and heal those little nicks that can and do happen. Now, let that sit on your face for about 5 minutes. Wash it off. A little aftershave balm. Oh. Now, let's do something with that very large mustache I know you all have. I hope that the technique that I showed you, whether you can apply for a first-time shave or if you're interested in wet shaving, has helped give you an idea of how you can shave, get a close shave without skin irritation and really any nicks. I mean, I gotta say it, you can use the gels or foams, but that is a wonderful almond scent profile. As I mentioned, this is my Parker Safety Razors double edge adjustable variant. You can adjust it from 1 to 5. It does have hair guides. Once you purchase a razor like this, you replace the blades. I'm going to keep this razor for 40 to 50 years. All right, I got to clean up. Seriously, I got to get ready and head on out to work. I love you guys. Have a wonderfully bearded day. Who are you? That's it. Filming's done. Get out of here.